Alright, so first we're going to start with inserting the processor. I already have it sitting out here. I have an Intel Pentium G4560. This Asus B250 Mining Expert motherboard takes the LGA1151 socket. So, but yeah, this is the Pentium G4560. It's not the best. I'm not really using the processor. I'm not processor mining or anything like that. So I'm just building quite a few rigs, get a pretty decent one. I don't really want the Celeron. I guess you can use the Celeron for this. But yeah. Oh, sorry. So when you place this chip, I don't know if you can see, but there's two little notches on the back side, and there's two little notches in your chip. Sorry, my fingernails are really dirty. I busted my finger too, but whatever. Yeah, there's two little notches in the back side of this chip, and you just set it right in there, and it'll just seat right into place. You also have a little arrow in this corner. But when you bring this shield down, you'll also have that same arrow. You just want to make sure those line up, then you got your processor installed properly. So then you can just drop this little guy down and relatch it into place, and your processor is installed.